use the number line, find out if it works for the number line. Today we're going to actually do the shading of a quadratic because we have the y as part of it. So page 391, y is less than 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay, so same. We start by changing this to an equality. Y equals 2x squared add 5x subtract 3. We want to find all the information that we can for this graph. And it even says use the graphing calculator to do it. But what we'll do is we'll start by finding our intercepts. So 0, 2x squared add 5x minus 3. 0 equals 2x. X 3. I need a plus and a minus 1 here. So there's your intercepts. Again, I'm doing this real quickly. We did this exact equation 2 days ago. So there's my intercepts. Okay. So what you want to do at that point is you actually want to just figure it out off your number line. I'd still do this. Find out if it's inside that, outside that, where it is. Okay, so I put 0 into this equation, 0, 0, and sorry, I'm going to put it into I don't want to do that. I think I got to make this 0 here first. So I've got 0 less than 2x squared add 5x subtract 3. Let's find out if that is indeed where it is. We get the x-intercepts. The y-intercept is -3, just following this vertex. Okay, so let's go right to decimals here. So we did that question already. So now we got y less than 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Hey, voila. Okay, so placing in 0 and 0 into the equation will also help you decide whether or not it's shaded over it. So you could do the same thing. So I have my intercepts picked. I put 0 in and 0 in here to see what is happening. 0 is not less than -3, so I don't include it. Notice that the parabola itself is dashed because there's no equals to, and you just shade on the outside of the region. So pick your 0 and 0 again. If it goes over it, you shade inside it. If it doesn't, shade outside it. Okay. Let's look at another example. Y is less than or equal to -x squared minus 6x add 9. Okay, following the steps, write the equation in standard form, so we change it to equals. Enter equation into graphing calculator. Next step. Less than or equal to minus x squared. Oh, I deleted the y. Y less than or equal to minus x squared minus 6x plus 9. All right, start this all again. y. The y has to be. Okay, so information that you need off of your graph. First, right there, -3 and 18. Second, y-intercept. Third, those two coordinates there. So those are the pieces of information that you want to have on it. Your 3 intercepts, your vertex, and then pick a coordinate, 0 and 0, stuff it in there. Is 0 less than 9? Answer's no. No, it isn't. It is. The answer's yes. 0 is less than 9. So we shade over 0 and 0. Okay. And finally, the last thing you have to do is find the equation of the graph. So for parabolas, the easiest way to do it is go to that. All right, so looking at the graph on page 393, the vertex is 3 and 2. Pick a separate coordinate. Looks like they have a dot at 1 and 0, correct? So first thing I'm going to do is solve for my A. So we're going to solve for A. Subtract 2. What is that? -2 squared. A is equal to -1/2. So the equation for it is y -1/2 x minus 3 squared add 2. So now all we need is the inequality for it. So to find the inequality, take a point that is in the shaded region, substitute it in and see which way the inequality has to open to. So let's take 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is in the shaded region, right? So I put 0 in here, and I go -1/2. 0 subtract 3 squared, add 2. 0 -1/2 of 9, add 2. Okay, -4.5, add 2 is -2.5, right? So which is larger, 0 or -2.5? 0. Is it dotted or is it whole, the graph? Dotted. So it opens that way. So your final equation et voila. So if you did not finish 9.2, okay, go to 9.3. You're doing the same thing. The only difference is you're not using a number line. You just shoot. Okay? All right. Anything from yesterday while I was away that you would like to look at today? Oh, you did the assignment? Did you finish it? Yeah? Okay. All right. So 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. Even if you just go right to 9.3, that'll get you through that. We'll finish that up, and then we will, like I said, kind of start your exam review. Okay?
Maybe we should just cancel the exam.
Cancel the exams. It's an opportunity for you too.
Funsies.
Funsies? It's not worth anything.